point of interaction between component and the environment. So yeah, and what are roles? Connectors. What are what connect interact? Just like connect components, connectors can also have an interface, and they are called roles. So here I have shown a small example. Like this is a connector, and it is having two roles. Each role tells us about the participant of the interaction represented by the connector. So like this one role, this left side role tells us about which component we have connected with this connector, and this right side role tells about which another component we are connected with this connector. So more on roles, connector consists of roles that are connected to specific ports. Like as I have already as I have already told, like these are connected. These roles are connected to the ports of the component. Like these are the ports, and these roles are connected to that. So connector consists of roles that are connected to the specific ports. Binary connectors have two roles, which are caller and callee. So example is like the message passing connector. So I mean, it is not necessary like we always have only two roles. Like in some systems, like the event broadcast connector, we have a single event announcer role and multiple event receiver roles. So there will be like multiple roles. And so what are caller and callee? The caller calls the function. The caller's job is to set up the argument to the function and then jump to the function, and after that callee takes over. So let me show an little example of how they are working in a actual code. Like we have first component and we have second component. So let's say in first component we have written we have our main function. In second component we have a function which is name f1. So in the main component we have lines of code, and after that we have a procedure call. So it acts as a caller. So what caller do? Caller calls the function. So it calls the function, and after calling the function, we get transport. We go to the component two, and after that callee will take over. So here this arrow acts as a connector from caller. So from to connect from component one to component two, and the procedure call we have used the procedure call connectors, like different types of connector as sir have already told. So here we have used the simple connector like procedure call connector. So I have used this example of college admission system. So what happens in college admission? First the student will fill his own details, and then he fill his academic details, and then he fills his course details, like in which course he or she want to enroll, and then finally we submit the application. So here what we are doing, like first we move from student detail to academic detail to course detail and finally submission. So we are moving in a sequence, and from one subsystem to another subsystem we are moving in a sequence. So here is the example of how it's done. Like first we have taken like three or four components. Components are represented in rectangles like personal, academics, courses, and print the form. These are the components, and all the rectangle represents input and output data. Like here the input student info, whatever will be our information, like our name, age, father's name, mother's name, all our mobile number and communication details. And same with all the parallelograms represent the input or output data. Like finally, we are getting the PDF form, application form. And yeah, these circle represent all the connectors. Like we have used the save and continue connector. So like at the end of each component, we have a button of save and continue. After clicking that button, we get we go from personal component to academic component. So here save and continue acts as a connector. And the same thing happens, like first student will input his information, all his personal information, and after that, after in taking all the information. Like we have used several scanf functions like scan of student and scan of father slip, scan of mother slip, all those informations. After this, after the complete form gets filled, there will be an option of save and continue. As soon as we press the save and continue button, all the information will get updated into the application form, and then we get moved to the academics component. And similarly, in the academic component, the student will upload all the mark sheets and give all the 10th or 12th marks on each subject, or all the marks he obtained in the BTech semesters. He will upload that in the academics. That will act as a data for the academics component. And after filling up that after after moving through the academics component, there will be a button for save and continue. After pressing that save and continue, we get transferred to the courses component. The same thing will happen in the courses component. We will give all the course information, like which course, in which course we need to go. Like we want to do the MTech in computer science or software engineering or information security or anything else. We will give those informations, and after that, giving those information, there will be again a button save and continue, which acts as a corrector that will take us to the component print the form. And in the print the form, there will be finally we will there will after pressing the print the form, finally we will get our output data, which is an application form in the PDF form. So these are the components in my system which are represented by the rectangle. Personal, academics, courses, and connectors. As I've told, we have used the procedure call connectors. There are six types of connectors. So we have used basically this is a very simple connector. So we have used this procedure call connector. And what are the data elements represented by the parallelogram, which are like our personal information. Here we have taken the student info, all the academic information, which will include all our mark sheets or our 10th information, our 10th class, 12th class information, and all our BTech marks of each semester. And after that, we have the course information, in which course we need to enroll. So those will be our data elements. Uh, and it shows a linear topology, like we are moving sequentially from one subsystem to another subsystem. And here, as you can see, all the red dots, they are associated with the component, so that the component can interact with the outside environment. So all those red dots represent that, and all the circles represent the connector. And we have the all the no all the circles represent the connector, or all the green dots represent the roles that allows uh, character to communicate with the component. And yeah, this is, and finally, this is the entire description with whatever I have just said. This is the written form.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you got that there was this particular symbol used for the port and roll. Why didn't you show that? It's there in that paper which Debabhaya had sent.
Yes, sir. It was in the paper, but I do
Why
not know
didn't
how.
you show that? Some sort of triangular shape, something. It
Yes,
was
sir.
there.
Yes, sir. It was there, but I was unable to put that into the malab, what
Why?
how.
That is there. You can just bring that and paste it. That's the standard symbol used for port and roll. Very standard symbol.
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you try? आप आधा करते हो आधा छोड़ देते हो.
नहीं सर, मतलब वो तो कॉपी हो जाता ना.
नहीं, बातें करने से अरे भाई जो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है यू हैव टू शो दैट. कॉपी हो जाता है यार. अरे जो which is most important you need to exhibit that. That's why you have been asked. Everything is there in the Google. Nothing new you are telling.
Yes,
That
sir.
was more, and you will cover it. Deba, okay. Deba is there or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Deba, you take up. Well, again take it up. I was expecting a little bit more. That.
Sir, should I stop or
Yeah, you stop.
how to stop? How to stop? Yes, sir. Hello.
You quit. Yep.
Yes, sir. Is it visible or not? No, no, I've quit.
Yeah, yeah. You
All
have
right,
moved
sir.
out. Yeah, yeah. Fine.
All right.
Thanks. Okay. We'll give another talk on a portal. There was that paper what you had shown, what you had sent. Can you open that paper?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The paper which you had sent to Rekaj.
Sir. Sir, I also forwarded to you also.
Eh?
I also forward to you. Already forwarded.
It is there. Yeah, is there. My laptop is giving a little bit of problem. I'm
Sir.
checking with my iPad, so I do not know how to open it. You open it. Yeah.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. Ella.
Sir.
Yes. I think the second paper, right? Yeah.
This is the second paper.
Yeah. You bring that. You bring that. Bring down. Move down. Move down.
No, this is not the second.
Move down. Move down. Because the connector is always associated with the roles. Connector plays the most vital role in the architecture. Component only carries out the functions, but the connector plays the vital role. What Rekaj showed, the color-color connection, that is the most vital role played by the connector. Therefore, where is that picture?
So just a minute.
You had sent me. Is there? Is there? I have seen it.
So this one.
Move down, move down, move down, move down, move down, 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 down. Little bit that one.
So this one.
Not this one, the previous one. The previous page, previous page. Previous page. Just enlarge it. Enlarge, enlarge. Badaya, badaya, badaya. Everybody is able to see? Everybody is able to see the symbol used for roll and the symbol used for port. Port is a full triangle. Something enters. As we have the ports in our laptop or desktop, it's something like something to enter. And what to enter is the what? Is the role. What is the item to enter is the role. You see everybody the picture. This is the diagram being followed in architecture. So you need to follow that and we'll talk further in the subsequent assignment. We'll talk further. You see, everybody could note it down. Please note it down. Role is something to enter, something to enter. And port is a triangle. Port is a triangle. Just that. Something where things enter. As we have ports in laptop and desktop, the similar thing is a port in the component. Okay. Deva, next.
Yes, sir.
We'll give to another sincere boy. I don't know. I was expecting a little bit more from Rekaj. If you ask him to tell, then he will tell it gets copied. It's a wrong reply. He didn't prepare, telling it will be copied. Okay. How to choose? We saw 8 types of connector. In the last class, we saw 8 types of connector. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
how to choose which connector? As we saw in the style chapter, which style to adopt and which style not to adopt. Likewise, here, which connector to be adopted at what type of situation. Okay, Deba, next.
And that connectors are previously we have discussed. They are basically 4 type of services they are provided. Such as connector as a communicator, connector as a coordinator, connector as a converter, and a connector as a facilitator. And what type of service these connectors are providing? They are dimensions, they are sub-dimensions, and with the what type of values they are taking. So now this is the important chapter. How to choose a connector. So the role and the challenge of connectors. It is a very crucial task to choose the connector when you are preparing to do your architecture. So how do you enable the components A and B before they interact? To interact A and B, we must need a connector. And what type of connector it is, what the service it is providing, just
Sir.
like what service.
Sir,
Yes.
there is animation in this slide, sir. If you present this, there is animation in this slide.
Means
Sir,
I am not realizing.
When you present this slide, it will move, sir. The picture in this will move.
Okay.
Sir, it is not full screen mode. If you made full screen mode and then do it, maybe
Make
will
it full screen. Deba.
Yes, sir. Just okay.
Yeah. There are 2 components A and B, and something
And we
is
need a
connected between
connector
them. Yeah.
for A and B. Yes. So how do we enable the components A and B to interact? So it is a challenge. We need a connector, and what type of connector? Or communicator or coordinator or any converter or facilitator. So it is adapter to A. Now the first objective to attach adapter. Adapter is a converter. Adapter and converter as a converter. You should know. The service as a converter. Now or B. In the B side also. Now change A from A from to B form. Now we will convert it from A to B form. Then make B multilingual. Then publish the abstraction of A's form. Then provide B with the import or export converter. This is the way. Next, it will introduce the intermediate form. We have to introduce some intermediate form for the coordinate. Then transform on the fly. We have to transform it from A to B during the connector attachment with the 2 components. Now, maintain the multiple versions of how we are connecting to B. Maintain the multiple versions. Separate B from its package. We have to separate. So these are some ways or processes we are using the connector between the 2 components. Now, how does one to select a connector? So, to determine a system's interconnection interaction needs, the software interconnection models can help. So, we need a software interconnection model that can help to interact with the two components. To determine the roles to be fulfilled by systems connectors, we need the four services like communication, coordination, conversion, and facilitation. For each connector, we have to determine its appropriate type. What type of connectors out of 8 you have to decide? The remote procedure RPC connector, the distributed connector, or the adapter connector. You have to decide. Then to determine its dimension of interest. Two columns was there, just like the dimension and the subdimensions. You have to decide. Then select the appropriate values of each dimension. In each type, we have from the 8 types, we have the dimensions, they are subdimensions, and among the in the subdimension, you have to choose the appropriate value for each dimension. Then for multi-type, if any composite connectors, in the atomic connector complete, we need some composite connectors or multiple connections. Then we have to determine the compatibility of a individual connector of any single. If it is compatible, then we have to use it for the multi-type connection or any composite connection. Then some simple examples. The system components will execute two processes on the same host, mostly intra-process or occasionally inter-process. The components needs for execution two processes within the same host. Intra-process means within the same component, the execution will happen for the two processes. Or if between the two processes in two components, then we will prefer the inter-process. The the interaction among the components is synchronous. Components are primarily computation intensive. There are some data storage needed, but those are secondary. Okay. The initial objective of any component is to calculate its value or to compute the exact value. Then we go for the storage. Initially to execute for computation, then the secondary objective is to store the data. Then select procedure call connectors. There is one type of connector, procedure call connector for the inter-process interaction. Intra-process means within the same company, if processes are, then we can say it is a intra-process interaction. Again, combine procedure call connectors with the distributor connectors for inter-process interaction. If we'll go for any in-process interaction, then what to do? We have to combine what? The procedure call connectors with the distributor connectors. And that is the main role of any RPC, remote procedure call. That will help to interact with the different components or inter-process interaction. Select the values for the different connector dimensions. What are the appropriate values? What values are imposed by your favorite programming language? You have to select it very sincerely for choosing the appropriate one. Now, we are just taking the previous, and we are considering here the procedure call connector type. You can check the type. What type of service it is providing? Now it is communication and coordination. Here the connector is a communicator or connector is a coordinator. What the dimension is there? Now the parameters, entry point, intersection, synchronicity, cardinality, and accuracy. In the parameters, what is their sub dimensions? One is the data transfer, then semantics, then return values, and invocation record. Then if data numbers, their reference, their values, their name, you have to consider in the value. And similarly for other dimensions also. If it is synchronicity dimension, you have to check if the communication is asynchronous or synchronous. If we consider the accessibility, then we have to check if the connection is a private connection, if it is purely a protected connection, or any open access or public access connection. So these are the things we have to consider. Now, the distributor connector. I just told for any inter-process interaction, we need the distributor connector and the procedure connector combinedly. Combinedly, we have to consider the procedure call connector and distributor connector for the inter-process communications between the components. So first one was the procedure call. Next, the distributor. What its service? The facilitator. What the dimension it covers? The naming, the delivery, and routing. If naming, if it is structure based or attribute based. If structure based, it is a flat structure or any hierarchical structure. Then the delivery. If it is semantic based or any mechanism is used to deliver. If it is a semantic based, then how many times if it is exactly the best of it is given to deliver, if it is exactly once delivered or at most once delivered or at least once delivered. If it is using any mechanism for the delivery, whether you are delivering to one person or a number of persons or to the all group of persons, means unicast, multicast or broadcast. Similarly, and in routing, it has two subdimensions: membership and path. Membership means if the bounded membership or any ad hoc membership. Ad hoc membership means they don't have any identity, they don't have any proper infrastructure for their network. Bounded means they are the proper infrastructure maintained in their network. Now, the path. Path is again a sub-dimension in the dimension routing. While considering the path, if it is a static path or cast or any dynamic, already we discussed last class. Now we are providing some combination between that. See that in the dimension, what are the features like parameters, entry points, invocation, synchronicity, cardinality, accessibility, naming, delivery, and routing, and their subdimensions and their values. All features and their properties will be combined while doing for any inter-process combinations. And select the appropriate values of the procedure call and RPC. RPC means a combined version of the distributor and procedure call, remote procedure. Now, the software interconnection model. Interconnection model (IM) is defined by the author Perry. For a developer, it has the unit interaction, syntactic interaction, and semantic interconnection. All three are present in each unit interconnection, syntactic interconnection. All are equally appropriate at architectural level. According to their respective architectural level, all are equally appropriate. Now, unit interaction. It defines the relation between the system units. What type of unit? The units are the or any modules or any heights. The basic unit relationship is dependency and means that unit depends on what? Unit is a interconnection model. Which unit? The interconnection model. The units is dependence can be considered as depends on. We write some standard notations. A depends on the connection B. Example: to determine the context of comparison, if it is a C processor or any other processors, we are comparing. Then IM, the interconnection model, is the file that includes. These are some notations used in the unit interconnection. Then to determining the recompilation strategies, example, make some estimate. How to write in the interconnection model, if you write compile the units, that depends on it had changed. New facility. Then system modeling, it is some RCS, DPS, SPS, and SSCS. Okay, these are some models. You can check their full form of each the model, architectural model or system modeling system process. The interconnection model, for this modeling, we need the systems file, and then we have to write each composed of. Then unit interconnection characteristics. It has the coarse-grained interconnections. Coarse-grained interconnection means the smaller number of larger particles. At the level of entire components, the interconnections are static and it does not describe the component interactions. It focuses exclusively on the dependencies by using the notation dependence. It depends on. Then some syntactic interconnection for any word. It describes the relationship among the syntactic elements of any programming language. They are variable definition, variable use, the method definition, method invocation. Okay. So for this, the interconnection model uses the methods, types, variables, and locations. And it is defined at, is stated, is used at. These are some notations are used for the syntactic interconnections. Then examples, automated software change management, the interlist master scope. Then the static analysis, the detection of unreachable codes by the compiler. Then for smart recompilation, change the inside units. Again, go for the recompilation. Then system modeling, the finer level of granularity. System modeling means the fine level granularity than the unit interconnection model. So these are some notations used in the syntactic interconnection. Their characteristics, these are fine-grained interconnections. The unit IMs are or interconnections are coarse-grained, it is fine-grained at level of individual syntactic objects. The interconnections are static as well as dynamic. It's incomplete interconnection specification. It has also not the proper collection of all the interconnection. It valid the syntactic interconnection may not be allowed by semantics. Although it is valid in the syntactic interaction, it may not be allowed by the semantic interaction. Three types of interactions. One is unit interaction, syntactic interaction, and semantic interaction. Then operation ordering, communication transactions. For this example, pop on an empty stack. Okay, we are just popping out something from an empty stack. Means that is not allowed in the semantic. All the meaning is okay. Sorry, the sentence is okay, but it is not meaningful. Can you pop anything from an empty stack? So it is valid. It is a valid syntactic interconnections, but it may not be allowed by the semantic. Pop on an empty stack. It is not possible. Although each word has the proper syntax. The violation of operation semantics. Trying to use the calendar add operation to add integer. Okay. So it will also violate the operation used in semantics. Then the next one, semantic interconnections. It expresses how systems components are meant to be used.
The way you change this slide, huh?
Already
so you boys keep notes which are semantic, which are syntactic, how they are different.
How they are different. How syntactic is different from. Sorry.
Yes, go
how
ahead.
syntactic is different from semantic. All the syntax is proper, but it may not be accessed it may not be accessed in the semantic interconnection. Just like I told earlier, pop from an empty stack. That is not possible. How will pop out? There should be any object before popping out. Without doing any push operation, how will do the pop operation? It expresses how system components are meant to be used. This is the proper meaning of use of any system components. It is the component designer's intention. That is the main objective of the designer of a component. It captures how system components are actually used. The component users intention. The interconnection semantics can be formally specified pre or post condition. You have the semantic interconnection will formally specify the precondition as well as post condition of the system components. And the dynamic interaction protocols, just like a finite state machine, and the client server protocol, CSP. So these are some dynamic interaction protocols, the client server protocol. They use it according to their requirement. One will send the request and the opponent will send the response. And also in the finite state machine, FSM, they are based on some semantic interconnections. Then the interconnection model, it uses the notations like methods, the types, the variables, and predicates, everything. And it uses the page like is setted, is used it, it calls or called by, satisfies everything. A satisfies the values for B, anything. So some proper notations are used during this semantic interconnection for the system components.
By the way, what is CSP? What is CSP? Anybody? It's a modeling process like FSM. Communicating sequential process. How to communicate sequentially different processes. How to show the concurrency is a high level concurrency model. CSP like FSM is a model. How we can model the different concurrent functions. That is CSP. We'll give assignment to someone to present on CSP sometimes. Therefore, keep note of it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. CSP, communicating sequential process, or we'll ask in the next class, go through it. How it is helps in modeling concurrency, how it helps in modeling different activities which work concurrently, how it helps to indicate that which are concurrent, which are not concurrent. Okay, next.
So one example here, the connector type is pipe. Connector pipe, then the role writer, it writes with the interconnection close. Okay. So write the role reader that exit only. So here we are using a glue method. Glue means it will combine. It will just combine the connector types used for the pipe, then another for the pipe of reader and writer. You can take the figure, you will find it has 3 phases. First one, the for writers, means when it will write, the readers will not be allowed to change anything. Only the writer can change. The readers will not read on. They can't change. So when it will be allowed for writing, then the reader will be not allowed. And if you read and someone will write
yourself, boys, you try to understand yourself how it works. You know it very well. It's not a new thing. Which is allowed to do what job? which one is done, this CSP model, this concurrency, or one after another, what is this going on? Try to understand yourself. Okay? Okay, Deborah. Yeah.
Then we have to use the glue method. It will just combine the value for write and read. So when to write and when to read. Simultaneously, it is not allowed. Write are not allowed. Read write are not allowed. But read are allowed. You can check the last line here. The writer glue and the reader. The writer dot close. Then read on. The reader closed. Then write on. If the reader will be closed. If the reader access is closed, then we can allow for the writer. If we will read, if you will change during that time, there will be, it will violate the concurrency. It will violate the concurrency. Hello. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just again adding to it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so simultaneously we can allow the reader and writer into the process or any, just like the critical section, you just remember. So it will be violating the synchronization or concurrency. Next. Okay. Architecture interconnection characteristics means the semantic interconnection characteristics. It is built on some syntactic interconnections. The interconnections are static as well as dynamic. The complete interconnection specifications are specifies both the syntactic as well as semantic interconnections validity. We need the necessary changes at level of architectures, like the large components, their complex interactions, heterogeneity, and component reuse. And what about ensuring other properties of the interaction? So just like the robustness, reliability, security, and availability. These are some non-functional properties that should be available to your components, apart from the other architecture characteristics like large components, the complex interactions, the heterogeneity, the component reuse. Now, composing the basic connectors. Okay. In many systems, a connector of multiple types may be required to serve the components. all connectors cannot be composed. Just I previously discussed that they are not compatible. A single connector if compatible with the connection between the two components, then they can be allowed for composition. Otherwise, we can't allow for the composition of the connectors. So all connectors cannot be composed. Some are naturally interoperable, some are incompatible, and all are like to require some trade-off. First, some are naturally interoperable. Some connectors are interoperable. They have the capability to access with different platforms. If you are using one platform and your server is in different platform, they can also interact through the connector. So they can be used for composability. Some are incompatible, so they cannot be allowed for the composition. And all are likely to require some trade-offs. They need some deal. If that connector will provide this and this connector will provide that, then they will be allowed for connection. So they need some trade-off in between the connectors. The composition can be considered at the level of connector. While considering the composition, before that we have to check the level and which level the connector is. If that connectors are helpful for the composition in the later stage, their dimensions, type, you have to check everything. Then only you will allow the connectors for the composition. So connector dimension interrelationship require. So how to do the notations? Require important symbol. We have to give. Choice of one dimension mandates the choice of another. Then prohibits the cross mark. Two dimensions can never be composed into a single connect. Two dimensions, if there are two different dimensions, can never be allowed to compose into a single connector. Then restrictions. The notation is like this. The dimensions are not always required to be used together. Certain dimension combinations may be. Then if there is some cautions, then combinations may result in unstable and unreliable connectors. If there is some caution while you are doing some composition between the connectors, if you are finding such symbols, means this combination is highly unstable, or you can say it is a unreliable connector. Now this is the interconnection. It is very much helpful for all the students. They have to check which type of notations are provided. See, in the very left column, the types are written. What are the types? Now, procedural call, event, data access, stream, linkage, arbitrator, adapter, in the distributor. And similarly, in the top, you can also check. It is a matrix type relationship. How you will check the relationship if they will be connected? Means if they will be allowed for composition or not. Okay. See, also in the top, you can find the procedure call, event, data access, stream, linkage, arbitrator, adapter, and distributor. Their dimensions are also mentioned. First, you check in the first box of the matrix parameter of the procedure call and parameter of the procedure call. Obviously, they will be composed. No need to be no need of any connections between them. Already they are the same connector. If you will check the entry point and parameters, it has no symbol. You can find that. The entry point and the parameters. If you will check, there is an ampersand symbol. Means it is allowed to connect. Okay. If you will check the cardinal, you will go one by one. It is also, otherwise it will be difficult to show the notations. See, if there is any symbol like this, the circle inside the circle, a line between the circle, parameter and a locality in the data access. If they are allowed or not, if this symbol is there, means there is some cautions or there is some prohibitions are there. You have to check. Okay. So four symbols we are using: require, prohibit, restrict, and caution. Only first one is allowed for the composition. You just practice this matrix, that will be more helpful.
You have to practice. You have to practice. Whatever the diagram you saw for 8 types, not diagrams,
This
the
is
picture. Those things are incorporated here. Check one by one, then only you can understand. Check one by one. Where each there are 4 symbols. 4 symbols. How those symbols are incorporated, how they help. You have to draw this thing by yourself in your home and make 2-3 times practice. Nothing new. Nothing new. How the rows are connected with the columns. Whether what type of relationship exists between the rows and columns.
between the
yes. For procedure call,
sir.
what are the parameters? What are the entry
In the
points?
left, the very most
What
column
are
is
the invocation? Invocation all along we need in message busting. How? Look at that invocation in your consortium software. How invocation comes into the picture. Ingole Bhaiya is all along telling invocation, invocation, invocation. How that invocation comes into the picture for the procedure call. So how they are interconnected. Draw the diagram, take a big size paper and put the symbol by yourself. There are 4 categories of symbols. Which symbol works for what type of significance? What type of significance? The 4 category, one requires, the other prohibits, the other restricts, the other cautions. What is caution? Combinations may result in unstable or unreliable connection. So it gives a caution. Unstable or unreliable, that is some cautioning it is making. Restriction not always required. The restriction says the circle with a line. Prohibits is a cross. And require is and symbol. Your and symbol. And symbol. So there are 4 symbols. It helps to identify the interrelationship. Interrelationship
between the connectors.
Between the connectors. How procedure call, how data access are connected, how stream is connected, how linkage is connected, how arbitrator is connected. What is arbitrator? What is that job of arbitrator in OS? Can anybody tell? What the job of arbitrator? Any example anybody can tell?
Sir, guarantees reliability and atomicity.
Right. Good boy. Who is this boy? Who is this? May I know your name, please?
Pratik, sir.
Pratik, yes. Good. It avoids any deadlock. It takes a decision. Arbitration means it takes a decision, right? It takes a decision, arbitration, to move in a particular direction or to take certain action. That is arbitration. Yeah. How procedure call is connected with arbitration? Is there any connectivity? So likewise, you draw yourself in your home. Take a graph paper. Take a graph paper and connect this. Take the picture from the slide. How one red square is coming and check whether you have done it correctly or not. First you do yourself. Then you cross check with that of the book. Then only you can know where you stand. How many mistakes are there? So do by yourself. Then only you can understand the different types of requirements in any connector. Category dimension, subdimension, values, and services. So how they come into the picture? You draw, you have 3 days of total holiday, so don't move in the street. Draw this. Okay? Draw this, try to learn it. This subject is not a mathematical paper, but you have to understand the different type of symbols which are being used in this connection, how they help. What are the different activities in syntactic and semantic interconnection? How gluing helps? You have to understand the syntax, how it helps. Then only you can understand the relationship, the interconnection. Okay, Deva, next.
Yes, sir.
You go ahead. One day we couldn't take class on Monday, I think. Yeah. So you little bit cover little bit more. It's a small chapter. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Remaining 3-4 slides. Remaining 3-4 slides.
Yeah. Go ahead. Finish.
Yes, sir. Some well-known composite connectors. We use the grid connectors or glovers or procedure. In this grid connectors, we use what type of connectors? The procedure called data access connector, stream connector, and distributor connector. 4 connectors are the used in the grid connectors. It is a composite connector or glovers. Then another one is a peer-to-peer connector. It is example of any BitTorrent. So last time some PPT was given on Globos and BitTorrent.
Yeah, the students are presentation. This is the problem. That's why the boys are enjoying life. Had they been in the campus, they would have been asked to present on Globus and Connector.
So,
That's the problem, yeah. Last time the students had presented in the class. What is Globus? What is Connector? Let them do it. Let them and do it in the next class. 3 days holidays are there. How Globus covers all these 4. How BitTorrent covers all these 4. You have to explain, okay? Okay, give 4 students assignment to present in the next class with proper presentation. If you are not doing properly, then some minus mark will be given from the TA. You have to be honest and sincere. Yeah. 4 students you identify them. Next Monday, Globus, BitTorrent, client server, event based. How the connectors help here? What is the objective of caller, callee, role, port, and what type of syntactic or semantic interconnection? How interconnections are helpful for the connectors? So 4 students tell Jitendra Gora, okay? One boy, Jitendra Gora, event-based connector, okay? Jitendra.
Yes, sir, I'm listening.
Yeah. So Siddharth Rautrai, you catch the Globus. You go through certain paper. Siddharth Rautrai.
Yes, sir.
One girl student, sir. One girl student.
One girl student. Okay. Andrila BitTorrent. Andrila has gone to ship. Yeah, BitTorrent.
Yes, sir.
BitTorrent is a very common software. Have you heard the name or not? Have you heard the name? Andrila. What is the problem? Andrila.
Hello.
Yeah, Andrila, have you heard BitTorrent? Have you heard anything about BitTorrent?
Sir, torrent, I know. BitTorrent, I'm not sure.
Not sure. It's a very common software. Very common software.
Okay, you read properly and you read properly and present. Monday, on Monday.
On Monday, how arbitrator, how data access, how stream, how distributor connectors come into the play here.
Composite
How
connectors.
how it is a composite connector, how syntactic and semantic interactions come into the picture here. So please go through it and you give a presentation on Monday, peer to peer. Okay?
So Monday means coming Monday or next Monday?
Any problem on Monday?
So there is a holiday in NIT or calendar.
Why do you want to enjoy life and dance in the street? When COVID is the problem, why do you want to dance? And puja is dancing is getting over on Sunday night.
Dear students, you have already many more classes. Your classes started on 25th of September. Do you know it was supposed to be started from the 24th of? I am not understanding. It was supposed to be started from the last week of July.
July. This attitude is a infected attitude, right? Who is this boy? Rekash, everybody is getting infection. The COVID is creating problem or what? Huh? It's infecting the brain. COVID usually infects the lungs, heart, and your brain is getting infected. Wants to dance in the street, huh? And puja is getting over on Sunday.
We already lost 2 months.
Because
it is difficult to. Sir.
That's a bad attitude. Bad attitude. We don't have any vacation here. No concept. Your parents will be happy if you really concentrate in studies, not dance in the street. That's a bad attitude. Don't talk something garbage. Don't talk something garbage. I don't appreciate. Change your mindset. Change your mindset. It's not like other colleges. That's why that day Mahendra Sharma told that I am not like other boys. Why you are becoming like other boys? Mahendra Sharma told it. I was very... Mahendra Sharma, are you present today or gone? Gone. He told that day, but he is remaining absent. Anyway. Anyway, for client server, how interaction takes place. Shivam Dalmia. Shivam Dalmia. Are you present? शिवम नॉट प्रेजेंट कलकड़ा लड़का घूम रहा है रास्ते में अच्छा ये चंद्रकांत आप आए हो कि नहीं we have to take the
yes sir
चंद्रकांत आप
yes sir yes.
उस दिन लास्ट क्लास आई थिंक यू आर एब्सेंट
yes sir
आप ऐसे एब्सेंट रह सकते हो आपका खुशी में क्लास आते हो क्लास नहीं आते हो ये मर्जी वाली बात लालू यादव ने सिखा दिया ना क्या we are not able to trust you Chandrakant you are losing your face value we'll give to Rahul Sahu Jhansi का लड़का राहुल
yes sir
अच्छा आप क्लाइंट सर्वर कनेक्टर क्या है डिटेल जरा देखो तो 4 लड़के हो गए ना वही असाइन राहुल आप लिख लो क्लाइंट सर्वर कनेक्टर ठीक है अच्छा पीयर टू पीयर BitTorrent Umbrella grid connector to whom I gave grid should try Siddharth should try I gave you grid connector huh?
Sir, you said Globus.
Yeah, Globus. That is the grid one. That is the grid one.
Yes, sir.
Globus is the grid. And to whom I told about the event based? Event based, whom I told?
To me, sir. To Jiten.
hello
Yeah. Tell. To whom
hello
I told?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes.
You tell, all are listening. You tell.
Debo kago mo kaili event based. Whom did I tell event based? The first boy, I think.
To
Hello.
me, sir, to Jitendra Gora.
Jitendra Gora. Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Hello, hello, क्या कर रहे हो? His system is getting problem, I think. Net is giving problem. Okay. So Jitendra Gora.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes.
You proceed.
Hello.
You proceed.
Actually, sir, it's Mahendra Sharma, sir. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hurry, it is you proceed. It is listening. All are listening.
Sir, is I audible, sir?
So where did you go? While your sir was asking about you, where did you go?
No, sir. Sir, actually, I was replying every time from last 2 days, sir. But actually, my voice was not going, sir. You can ask from Pratik or classmates, sir. I was present, sir.
Okay. Don't tell stories. Okay.
Sir, you have been muted, sir.
Okay, these composite connectors will be given assignment and you have to present according to the name sir just told. Okay. The next one, the client server based data distribution connectors. It allows the distribution of data between distributed systems using the remote procedure call. Which one? The client server based data distribution connector. It is a data distribution connector based on client server. It is obviously a composite connector and it is using RPC, remote procedure call connector. The invocation is performed by the RPC and that appears as if it is a local method call. It will seems to as a local method, but actually it is performed by RPC. The methods are interaction between the sender as well as receiver. They typically the producers of the data and its consumer. Once the data is accessed, it is packaged and the streams that are delivered using the exactly once delivery. It is a delivery technique. There was no delivery technique. The best effort, exactly once, at least once, at most once. These are some delivery strategies and bounded package size managed by the TCP/IP protocol. Now, the client server based some data distribution connectors. I already told if the structure type, if it is structured or attribute based. If it is structured, if it is hierarchical based or the line based. Here you can check. The invocation is from the procedure call using the event call and the arbitrator. It engages the data access method with the packet data information, then it will stream and it again distributed by the distributor. Some stepwise or labelized connectors, how they are connecting to the components. Then the next.
In fact, the client server will be presented by Rahul Sahu. So Rahul, don't talk on these things, something extra, okay? Rahul.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Whatever is covered, don't cover that. Something more. Yeah. Search something more with some diagrams. Okay. Yes, Deba.
Deba sir, you are muted, sir. Sir.
Muted.
Deba sir, you are muted. Unmute yourself, sir.
Okay.
No, not you, sir. Not Raj, sir. Deba sir.
Deba, tell.
You are.
Deba.
Please unmute yourself.
Automatically, how it is happening? It is difficult. Automatic. Okay, now I am unmuted.
Okay.
I'm okay now. Hello, I am able.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Fine,
go.
sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
fine. Yeah.
This is the last slide. The client server based data distribution connectors. Okay. Here the data is distributed from this one connector using some naming registry or naming directory to locate the requesting consumer of data. Who are who are requesting? Who are the consumers of that data? To locate that thing, we need some directory, that is the naming directory or naming registry, by using
Hello, sir. You are again muted.
Oh,
Hello, Deva sir.
yeah. His
Hello.
net is
automatically. I am okay. I think.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are fine, sir.
He remains stayed in a remote location from today onwards. So that's a problem. Deva, your location is giving problem.
If internet is the speed is fluctuating, it is muting on muting automatically.
You take a better connection.
So,
okay, go ahead.
the next point, the data is delivered through the method, that is the interface, parameters, and the return values. It is sent exactly once using the unicast delivery mechanism. Already, the unicast the delivery mechanism means the dimensions. The dimension is delivery, their sub-dimension is mechanism, and the value is exactly once. It is sent exactly once, at least once, at most once. Already I told these things. So it is using the unicast delivery mechanism. The routing is performed by TCP/IP network. It uses TCP/IP network for routing using some static membership identified in the registry or the naming registry. Then it uses what type of examples I'm saying? HTTP or REST will go in the next semester, and also few in this semester. Then Java, RMI, remote method invocation, then Corba, then FTP, file transfer protocol, SWAP, simple object access protocol, and many commercial UDP technologies, user datagram protocol. Here, okay. So these are based on some distributed connectors in the client server based data.
Okay. So we'll close this. Okay. Okay, so next class we'll have the presentation, right?
Yes, sir. Presentation.
Yeah. If you read something, you find pleasure in it. Something new, if you tell to
Sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, this is Pratik. Sir, on the day of Dussehra, sir, it's too much hectic for me to attend the classes, sir.
Again.
Sir, on the day of Dussehra, sir, I cannot attend classes.
कौन प्रतीक अग्रवाल?
Sir, yes, sir, Pratik Jaiswal.
प्रतीक जायसवाल, अच्छा.
Yes,
दशहरा?
yeah.
संडे को दशहरा ना मंडे को?
सर मंडे को 26 सर.
अच्छा. इधर शायद संडे को हो रहा है. So that's why our whole puja gets over on Sunday. Anyway, okay, but these are very important topics. The BitTorrent is a very important one. Andrila will tell you will be missing. Can you not come for 1 hour? It's so hard for you. I doubt.
No, sir. I will try, sir. I will try then.
Had you been a good student, had you joined UCLA, University of California, Los Angeles, then how you would have come during this puja vacation? Because you are not a good student, you couldn't get an opportunity to join there, to do masters. Those who are going,
no, sir, I will try, sir.
BitTorrent is a very, very interesting. Andrila will give you a big talk on BitTorrent is very, very interesting. How different you are staying at home. Your mommy will feed you with rasgulla in one hand. So what is the problem in attending? What is the problem in attending?
Actually,
And
sir, so many people visit my house on the day of Dussehra. Actually, it's like a puja at my home.
it's a 4:15 class, 4:15 to 5:15 or 5:30 maximum.
Yeah,
Where
some
there is
kind of.
where there is
Okay, sir.
where there is
Yes, sir.
will
I will go at my friend's home, sir. Okay, sir. I will try.
where there is will, there is always a way. Always a way is there to enhance your knowledge. Always a way. For knowledge, nothing is important. To enhance your knowledge, that is the priority of life.
Yes,
Your
sir. Yes.
mother will be happy, मेरा बेटा पढ़ रहा है. Mother will never snatch you from study. Never. Nobody. You can tell everybody, my class is going on.
Yes, sir.
I'm
That's fine.
yeah, I'm upgrading my knowledge. मैं इतना poor था, यहाँ BitTorrent के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं था. मेरे को BitTorrent के बारे में जानना है. I have to learn something about BitTorrent. If you tell everybody, nobody will disturb you. Nobody will pull your leg. So,
Yes.
yeah, identify your requirement. देखो दीवानो अपना जरूरत को पहचानो. जिस समय जरूरत को पहचान लोगे ना, you are somewhere else and your knowledge will be upgraded. Always identify what is your requirement. Nothing is priority. Only priority is how to enhance your knowledge, do something good quality of work. Okay. That's all. Therefore, take the attendance and I am quitting. Okay.
Okay.
I am quitting.
Yes,
So,
so there is a attendance option in the side, and only the organizer can take it. And you can only take. A download option is there. Attendance, the download sheet, and Excel sheet will be downloaded. Sir, you are muted. You are muted, sir.
oh,
Sir,
yeah.
only for the organizer who is how much time one student is attended, how much time he was present, everything will come. Excel sheet will automatically be downloaded.
Okay. So you take the
Sir,
attendance.
a symbol is given. A symbol is hide participant or show participant. In the top side, sir, it is there. Participant, sir. Okay. Sir, a hand symbol is there. Raise your hand.
Okay. Yeah.
In the top, sir.
Yeah.
A hand symbol is there in the left. Show conversion and extreme show participant or hide participant.
Okay. Anyway, you take the attendance today. We'll do the next job. The attendance part in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You call the names one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir. So, Andrila present, Akshay present. Andrila, Akshay, Asutosh.
Present, sir.
Andrila.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Akshay.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, Akshay present.
Yes,
Present, sir.
Sir, present, sir.
I already listened. You just silent. Be silent, please. Akshay,
Present, sir.
Asutosh,
Present, sir.
Bonot, Srilekha,
Yes, sir.
Chandrakant,
Present, sir.
Somasekar, Eruvuri Somasekar,
Present, sir.
Rishabh Soni,
Present, sir.
Jitendra Gore,
Present, sir.
Mahendra Sharma,
Present, sir.
Mohammad Rekaj,
Yes, sir. Present. Mohammad Rakaz present.
Nirmal Panda,
Present,
Nirmal
sir.
Panda,
Present, sir.
Pratik Jaiswal, Pratik,
Present, sir. Present.
Rahul,
Present, sir.
Rakesh,
Yes, sir.
Shubham Kulkarni,
Present, sir.
Siddharth,
Present, sir.
Vikas,
Present, sir.
okay. I think 2 are absent.
कोई छूट गया? Anybody left? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We are meeting on here every पूजा के on 25th Monday को सारे पूजा यहाँ खत्म हो जाता है और पूजा तो इस बार मैंने मना हुए मैंने you can't go to the fund, you can't go. Government has put a ban because of this pandemic. It is
Sir,
risky.
but people are not listening to any government.
आप गधे बनोगे आप
You
गधे
listen. You listen.
Yes, sir, I am listening, but people are like crazy about puja and Sera.
इंडिया में कितना 1,20,000 ना कितना पहुंच गया 1,20,000 डेड because of these people are crazy character. आप उस तरह का क्रेजी बनोगे इंडिया में डेथ आई थिंक 1,20,000 पहुंच गया ना 1,15,000 something like that, right Deba? Anyway, Deba, yours is muted.
People are crazy, it's okay, but you should not be a reason for others. You must not be a reason for others.
आप अच्छी इंसान बनो, आप सबको ज्ञान दो, आप एमटेक करके अच्छी कॉलेज में इस तरह का गधे बनोगे, हैं? You will be a bad model for others. कितना रिस्की है, it's very risky, very risky. कौन asymptotic problem maker है पता नहीं चलता है. Who has the problem? He may be strong, he has immunity, he is not getting infected, but he can infect others. Very difficult Chinese virus, very difficult. People are getting crazy and उसी में पंगा में आ जाता है, पंगा आ जाती है. आप अच्छे लड़के बनो, नहीं मेरे को किसी से मिलना नहीं है, किसी से मिलना नहीं है. घर में भी मास्क पहन के ट्राई टू यूज मास्क, क्योंकि घर में कोई भी बाहर से आ जाएगा तो यू नेवर नो. बहुत डिफिकल्ट ये वायरस है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट. यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल फॉर योरसेल्फ. Very difficult, very difficult. So we do not know how long it will take. Vaccine has not yet come. It will come towards April, March, April. So till that time, we have to be very, very careful and study, enhance our knowledge base. Time की पक्का utilize करने का. Okay. This is always my attitude to show you the path, right path. It is up to you whether you move in the right path or not. Okay, Deba, we'll close down. Okay,
Yes,
we'll meet on Monday. Okay, okay. Bye, bye.